Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to spell check in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. So let's say there is some misspelling in my Excel sheet, which actually we can simply easily can see. I have two misspelling here, but it's very short data. But when while we will work with a lot of data or a bigger data, then we have to use this feature. So I'm just teaching you with a very short text, which is knowledge is power. Here are two misspellings. So what we will do is just select our text and then um, simply click on the F7 button from our keyboard. Here you can see there is a pop-up window which is giving suggestions of the spelling. If we want to change, then we can click on the change option, and then we can from the suggestions we can change the word power. We can choose any of the suggestions from here and can change them all. Just click on OK, and here you can see Excel has done a marvelous job for me and it has corrected my error. So this is how Excel can check your spellings and correct it for you. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.